Hi everyone. So for Activity 2.1 Career Planning Tools, I'm going to be talking to you about 123 Career Aptitude Test, which is a web discovery test that aims to inform students about what we call their job personality by matching their interests to a variety of job, career, or occupation suggestions. So this career planning tool is based on the Holland Code or the Holland model. So a little bit about how it works. So there are 15 questions in this quiz, and each question has 4 images, like you see on the right side of my screen. And what students have to do is very simple. So they have to select one image that corresponds to something that they enjoy doing, and one image that corresponds to something that they do not like doing. So, for example, teacher, I put a check mark, mechanic, I put an X. There's 15 questions like this. How colleagues can use this tool. It can be used in a variety of classroom settings as an introductory activity. I've used it in careers, but it could also be done in English or a psych class. There's lots of options. Since this quiz is very easy, I think it could be done at the beginning of 7th grade or when students are starting to build their IPP. The quiz could also be retaken in grade 9 or 10, and the findings could be compared. So this could be interesting. Since this quiz is very, very simple, the feedback given to the student, I think, should be used as an initial step to ignite a student's reflection about possible jobs that would interest them. So, availability and cost. This test is extremely easy to use. It's free. It's a short quiz. It's comprehensible. The information giving is easy to understand. You can do it on a laptop, a tablet, a cell phone, and it really only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's easy peasy. Positive and negative aspects of its use in a school setting. The advantage of this tool is that it's so student friendly. Like I said, it can be used as early on as grade 7 or 8, even probably before then. But I would probably use it then as an initial kind of questionnaire. Furthermore, the visual aspect, okay, could be very appropriate for visual learners. The fact that there are pictures in each questions and that actually the questionnaire is based on those pictures. And I was also impressed with the amount of information given at the end about your Holland Code and the Holland Code in general. On the other side, since the quiz only contains 15 questions and it's free to anyone navigating the web, the scientific research backing it up is lacking for it to be considered extremely valuable. So, a little bit more about 123 Career Test is that, like I said, this questionnaire is based on the Holland Code personality types. So, according to this interpretation, there are a total of 6 different types of personalities, as you probably already know: realistic, artistic, etc. I think this quiz is an excellent resource as it doesn't only suggest occupation to students, but it informs them about the Holland model in itself and different personality types. So, like I said, the feedback given upon completion is informative and easy to understand. So, when you complete the quiz, you're going to get what is called your personality type. So, this was mine, and you're going to get your 6-letter personality type. Each letter corresponds to one of the personality types from the Holland model. So the students also learned that there are 720 different combinations possible with the 6 personality type, and they get more info about them and theirs. Then they are given 20 suggested occupations that match with their code. So for me, I was SCIAER, so social, conventional, investigative were my top 3, and that matches with occupational therapist, which is actually very interesting to me because it's a job I came very close to pursuing in the past. So because of this interpretation, I was really impressed with 123 Career Test, and I thought it is a good tool to use since I matched with a job that interested me. So there you have it. If you want more information, you could always navigate the the website itself or the PowerPoint a little bit more. So 123 Career Aptitude Test.